Those side hustles I'm going to show you are great opportunities to add extra source of income to support your family, goal, and finance during free time. Most people don't realize that having a side hustle job is a game changer. It can really help you financially. It can help you with many things. It's the power of compounding your income. You will get an idea of my side hustles that I've found successful. You don't have to follow mine, but rather give you idea, as long as you are willing to learn them, or you have a good level of proficiency with them. They can be successful. It is up to you to make use of them as you see fit. The most important thing you do is focus on your skill you currently have. You can transition your existing skills to a side hustle. People will see you and be in demand of your skills. Use your skills that can be turned into side hustle jobs. I will tell you about mine in a few minutes. Don't worry about mine. Take time to analyze the skills you have that can help others. Money will always come in and out, but you must pay attention to the skills you possess. You become successful when you have them. I'll tell you mine. You can become a delivery driver if you want. The first thing you can do is carry a person or a thing and drop them off somewhere. For example, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Lyft. Though this job does not require much skill, you can earn up to $100 a day. On weekends, there are more demands because people stay at home or have plans to fulfill. During weekends are good times to make money. During holiday breaks, they are also in high demand. You have to study your market to find peak times and days. That can be very helpful for your finances. To be honest, being a delivery driver is one of the easiest side hustles to earn $100 in a day. It doesn't take much skill to do it. You just need a car and some gas, and your car's value might depreciate as you drive in it, but it is fine in the short term. It will still cover your gas expense. It's still possible to make $100 depending on peak times I mentioned. In the 21st century, technology keeps evolving at a rapid pace. It is no surprise that there are so many demands in technology. If you want to make a digital banner or something tech-related, you can use Photoshop or Adobe After Effects. I am only 22 years old, and I belong to Generation Z. I can see that there is a lot of technological opportunity for Generation Z. Let's be real, now is the time to take advantage of it. If you can market skills like these to millennials or people in a previous generation, older people who have little knowledge of how to use digital technology, you can sell them and help them. You could make $100 a day or more. I believe that you can charge $200 for a project. You can complete a simple task in 3 hours and you make $200. Depending on your skill and comparing to others, you may make much more than that. It's good to compare your rate with others. The market is competitive. You can start with a smaller project. It's okay. Making money doesn't matter. You should build experience and skill at first. As soon as you are in high demand, people ask you for help. You can increase your pay rates in the future. You want people to know about your project and brand. You can make animations if you have the skill, but I don't. I'm great with Photoshop. I know how to modify and create effects. I'm good at them. You can go ahead with it if you have more skills than them. The first thing you should do is discover your skills and then use them as a side hustle. It's an enormous change. Focus on your skills. I promise it'll help you tremendously. As we talked about digital designers, I got to thinking about photography, filming, and editing. Now they're the hottest gigs. You've seen there are many Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. If you have the skill to make them, then go for it. You can charge as much as $40 an hour based on your skills. If you don't have skills, but you're still motivated to learn about these gigs, you can still do it, but you can start at a low rate like $10 an hour. That doesn't matter. As long as you learn, you'll be able to gain experience. From there, you will gain more experience and be more motivated to do more. You can also network with clients. People don't pay attention to recurring clients. They are the most important part of your business. They are the most valuable leads you can gather. You want them to trust you and become your recurring business. So pay attention to your relationships with clients. This is a long-term business. If you are good at taking photos, you can do weddings or seasonal photo shoots during the fall, winter, spring, and summer. A lot of people would like to have someone do them for them. You can schedule an appointment with them through a website such as Calendly. Not just Calendly, but Wix or Shopify. You can buy a drone. There is a drone that costs $300. That's okay. Your session fees will cover the drone cost. When it's spent for business purposes, you can write it off on your tax return. Did you know that a side hustle is still considered a business? I know it's probably not as big as a corporation, but it's still a business. If you have a video editing gig, you might get asked to edit a video for someone else. You can display your work on Fiverr or Upwork like a portfolio, and people like it. They will reach out to you and ask you to do the work. You can charge $600 for a single project. If you are professional, they will pay as much as possible. I may be exaggerating here. $600 is for a larger project. A small project could cost $100 to $200. Depending on the amount of clients you have currently, I am certain that you can complete a small project in a day. If you have many clients, you can increase your rate to accommodate demand. It will be very interesting to see the next part, which is consulting or coaching. I could tell that things have changed a lot since the 80 seconds and 90 seconds. Most people learned and asked for advice while they were in college. It was all in college. The internet is where we can find most of our knowledge today, and we can learn a lot through online classes. That means if you happen to have a lot of skills or experience in a particular area, for example, if you built a business and now you're retired and want to earn some extra income, regardless of their income, I've seen some wealthy people teach online classes and make money coaching as part of their hobby. At the same time, it's an opportunity to make money. Why not? It's capitalism in the United States. It's where I live. I believe anyone can make money. It's all about providing value. That's what I've been doing, providing value to my clients. I have values to give that people can trust in me and respect. We start at the bottom and climb up like a ladder. Back at the point, the consulting or coaching gig had become quite popular at that time. If you knew that you have a skill and you want to share that with those who are interested in learning, you could just start offering online coaching or courses. I guarantee you will make more than $100 a day. The ones I listed in this video are quite simple and not that difficult to make $100 a day. If you have better ideas or skills, you can go further. Hopefully, this video will inspire you to believe in yourself. In this video, I am just giving you some ideas. Life is all about experimenting and finding out what works best for you. If it does, stay consistent and scale your business or work. Let it expand and repeat until it becomes a success. If you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, be sure to leave a like and comment to let me know what you thought. It would be nice to have people comment and share their perspectives. We create a community and learn from each other. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time, soon.